What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to the final day of the trading education week. It is now most likely Saturday the 10th of January if I recorded it and uploaded it according to my schedule. And in this video, I'll have to apologize. We are not talking about trading education, but before I lose you, we will talk about the yield. We will talk about, in a sense, interest you can get on your money. At this point of time, the standard interest in most countries, it depends on where you're from, but the standard interest, at least in United States, Europe, is 3 to 4%, which that's the high trenches of that. Sometimes it's 1 to 2%, while inflation in many cases is still between 2 and 3%. What that means is that if you're just holding cash or if you're holding cash on banks, you're losing money. Now, luckily, the amazing innovation of crypto provides us with opportunities where we can make more than that for multiple reasons, right? There's real money. These are not pyramid schemes. We've seen that as well, right? So that you can get a specific interest or yield because other people deposit money. That is not the case with these two opportunities that we'll talk about, but these are opportunities to put your stablecoins to work. This is something I do a lot. At this point in time, I hold a lot of stablecoins in terms of percentage of my portfolio. And these two opportunities, you can actually get amazing yield on that. And so you get actual money, right, in stablecoins, interest. But outside of that, these can also be some pretty major airdrops, right? So that's why I think it's a bit of a double opportunity. So let's talk about that. These are two opportunities. I will leave the links down in the description. They are Katana. And let me quickly remove the overlay so you can better see it. Katana and Alura. So both of these are actually quite similar in the sense that both of them, well, for Katana is its own layer 2 network, as you can see. So it has a total value locked of $370 million. These are not some sort of shady projects. They're real projects backed by venture capital as well. Katana, for example, is backed by Polygon. And GSR. GSR is a major fund in the crypto space. But Katana is a layer 2 network, which means you have to bridge assets, right? So you have to have assets in your MetaMask wallet or whatever. And then through their website, you can see their website right here. What you can very easily do is you click swap here at the top right. Like I said, links will be down in the description. And then if you have Ethereum on the Ethereum network in your wallet, for example, you can switch it to Ethereum on the Katana network. And then you will have the Ethereum on the Katana network. So you still have the Ethereum. And what you can then do is you go to earn. Now, personally, I have USDT and USDC, and you can lock it up in vaults. Now, at this point of time, the APR that you're getting is between 38 and 40%. Yes, that is much more than you get with your bank. Now, there is something to it, right? Because and how this yield is actually being generated, it's a couple of things. At this point of time, the actual yield in native APY is actually in native stablecoins. It's actually 2.5 and 2.8. Which is not bad. That's similar to your bank, but then you also get major rewards in the CAT token, right? So that's going to be the main token of the Katana network, and that is very valuable. That will be valuable in the future because you cannot sell it yet, but it is the project is promising. The project is serious. It is extremely likely, 99%, that the token is going to launch, and then you'll be able to sell that, and then it comes down to a 38 to 40% yield, which I think it is a bit of a risk, right? Because it's for a large percentage paid in that token. But given the circumstances around Katana being a major layer 2 network, a serious project with an actual goal in mind, it is worth the risk, in my opinion. I have a lower risk opportunity in a moment. But that's how you do it, right? So you get those Katana tokens already, those CAT tokens. You get real yield as well, like I said, in USDC and USDT. But outside of that, if we will get a Katana airdrop at some point of time, then you will also qualify for that, which who knows how much that can be. Depends on how much you deposit. Can be hundreds of dollars, can be thousands of dollars. We will see, but definitely worth the risk. Like I said, links to this will be down in the description. And then second of all, we have Alura. Now, Alura is a protocol on the Hyper EVM chain. So that's the network that's built by Hyperliquid, right? Hyperliquid, the most successful perpetual futures exchange. So first of all, if you actually use Altura, which like I said, links will be down in the description, you're already farming the potential hype airdrop number 2, right? We had the first hype airdrop December 2024, was amazing. One of the best airdrops we've had in the last years. And by using Altura, which will allow you to gain 20% yield, not in the tokens, that's outside of it, right? But 20% yield on your stablecoins. But what you have to do is you have to deposit USDT 0. So that's the USDT on Hyper EVM. That's just USDT. Don't make it more difficult than it is. You deposit that. You receive Vault shares, right? So the Vault is the actual engine that makes money. Then Altura deploys strategies. That's how it makes money, with arbitrage, funding capture, staking, and LPing. So then it makes real money. That goes back to the vault, and you have a share of the vault, so that share becomes worth more. And it's actually paid out very easily. I'm currently also using this, and it just gets paid out directly every single day in real dollars, right? So this has nothing to do with the actual token. So here you can see, here you have to mint the AVLT, that's the vault token. You use the USDT that you have, and then you can get and then it's in the vault. So as you can see, I currently have $2,000, not a huge amount, on Altura, and you can see it grow. This is in 1 week, so that's about $1 a week, which obviously is not going to make you rich, but it is much more than your bank gives you. And then outside of that, if potentially in the future we're going to get an Altura token, which is very likely, almost 100%, you will qualify for that. And who knows how much that's going to be, right? Again, could be hundreds, could be thousands, could be tens of thousands, depending on how much you deposit. But two great opportunities, in my opinion, I think, to put your stablecoins at work. Because like I said, I mean, the stablecoins will remain stable, right? They will not lose value. But through both of these ventures, venues, you can actually get a percentage yield on that. Similar to a bank, but then much higher. A little bit more risk as well, because it depends on airdrops to a certain extent. Very much with Katana, to a lesser extent with Altura, but 100% worth the risk. And here you can see the vault, by the way, that's working with Altura. But that's it for now. Like I said, links will be down in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Okay, if I show you my airdrop of several thousands of dollars, don't think, oh, I should have done that. You should enjoy that with me. So links will be down in the description. This is not paid for, and nothing of that. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.